sleeping gadgets are more popular than ever. There are a lot of options available that promise to help you get a better night's sleep, from space-age sleeping masks to applications that use your phone's microphone and accelerometer to track sleep habits. The entry of Nokia Health in the arena of gadgets to sleep is a pad placed under your mattress, appropriately called Nokia Sleep. It promises to be more precise than simply using an application, thanks to a sensitive pressure sensor that uses the balistocardiography, a method that measures the presence and movement, the respiratory rate and heart rate. Naturally, everything you capture is recorded in an accompanying application. Nokia Sleep is a Wi-Fi-enabled rectangular pad that communicates with Nokia's Health-made application on your phone. The configuration is fast and simple. Simply slide the pad under your mattress to the chest level, connect it and install the Nokia Sleep module through the Health-made application. The application will guide you through some standard steps, such as creating an account, linking with Nokia Sleep and connecting it to your Wi-Fi. Then, calibrate and it's ready to work. While you sleep, the sensor collects all kinds of data, giving you an easy-to-digest overview the next morning within the application. It not only shows how long you slept, but it also breaks down when you were in periods of light, deep sleep and REM. Measure how long you were in bed before falling asleep and also how long you stayed in bed after waking up. That, combined with a number of other details, such as your heart rate, time spent on restful sleep and sleep duration, combine to give you a general nighttime score, rated on a scale of 0 to 100.